Hubbell marine water heaters are specifically engineered and manufactured for use in demanding marine and offshore environments. Each unit is built using only the highest grade materials, components, and technology to ensure superior product performance and longevity. Hubbell has unmatched experience working with marine architects, engineers, shipyards, and local entities in designing, manufacturing, and supporting water heaters for shipboard and offshore use. We are well versed in providing the highly specialized and detailed data requirements for the Navy, with Hubbell water heaters installed on several international Navy ships, as well as every U.S. Navy submarine built since 1952. Our extensive in-house engineering capabilities ensure water heater and hot water system designs are optimized to meet vessel specifications and withstand demanding environmental conditions. For more information about our marine products and what Hubbell has to offer, please visit www.hubbellheaters.com/marine.